Do you struggle with saving money or reaching your financial dreams? You're not alone. Many people set financial goals but never achieve them. Why? Because they don't follow the right strategy. In this video, I'll show you a simple, step-by-step method to set and achieve your financial goals. Whether it's saving for an emergency fund, paying off debt, or building long-term wealth. Let's get started. The first step is to clearly identify your financial goals. Without a destination, how will you know where you're going? Break your goals into 3 categories. Short-term goals, which are 3 to 12 months, like building an emergency fund, paying off small debt, or saving for a vacation. Medium-term goals, which are 1 to 5 years, like buying a car, saving for a house, or starting a business. And long-term goals, which are 5 years or more, like saving for retirement, financial independence, or real estate investments. Take a moment to write down at least one goal in each category. This will give you a clear vision of your financial future. Now, let's turn these goals into something actionable using the SMART method. SMART stands for specific. Instead of saying, I want to save money, say I want to save $5,000 for emergencies. Measurable. Track your progress with a savings app or spreadsheet. Achievable. Set realistic targets based on your income. Relevant. Make sure your goal fits your financial needs and future plans. Time-bound. Set a clear deadline, like save $5,000 in 12 months. This method keeps you focused and increases your chances of success. Once your goals are set, you need a clear plan to reach them. Here's how. First, budgeting. Allocate a portion of your income toward your goals each month. Next, cutting expenses. Reduce unnecessary spending on dining out, subscriptions, and impulse purchases. And finally, increasing income. Start a side hustle, ask for a raise, or invest in a high-income skill. The more you optimize your money flow, the faster you'll achieve your financial goals. Setting goals is one thing, but tracking progress is the key to success. Use tools like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple Google Sheet to monitor your savings and expenses. If you're falling behind, adjust your budget or find ways to earn more. Flexibility is important, and don't forget to celebrate small wins, whether it's reaching 50% of your goal or fully paying off a debt. Consistency is the secret to achieving financial success. Here are 3 powerful ways to stay on track. First, visualize success. Picture yourself debt-free or with your dream home. Second, find an accountability partner. Share your goals with a friend or family member. And third, automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account. The more consistent you are, the faster you'll reach financial freedom. To recap, setting financial goals involves 1. Identifying your goals. 2. Making them SMART. 3. Creating a financial plan. 4. Tracking progress. And 5. Staying consistent. Now it's your turn. Comment below with one financial goal you're working on. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and check out my next video on saving money fast. See you there.